RailTel and NuRe Bharat unveil all-in-one railway app for travel and entertainment. In a groundbreaking collaboration, RailTel and NuRe Bharat network, spearheaded by the esteemed consortium 3i Infotech, proudly unveiled the innovative and game-changing piponet mobile application. With an unwavering focus on enhancing the overall railway passenger experience, the paramount goal of this cutting-edge application is to offer an extensive array of meticulously curated services. It also involves encompassing seamless e-ticketing solutions along with convenient travel arrangements and hassle-free hotel reservations. Also available are a diverse selection of captivating entertainment applications, ensuring an unparalleled journey for every traveler. According to Sax Krishna, the CEO of NuRe Bharat network, the piponet app will be available for download on the Android Play Store within the next 2 weeks. The app has been integrated with popular platforms such as Netflix, Uber, and Ola. piponet offers passengers a wide range of convenience services, including the ability to effortlessly book e-tickets, platform tickets, and porters for assistance, along with comfortable accommodations, delicious meals, and an array of other desirable amenities. With piponet, passengers can enjoy the ease and efficiency of accessing all these services through a single platform, simplifying their travel experience and enhancing their journey. Whether it's reserving electronic tickets or arranging for trustworthy porters, securing suitable accommodations, or satisfying their gastronomic desires, piponet caters to every passenger's needs, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable travel experience. The app also offers advertising space for businesses seeking to reach out to railway passengers. Sax Krishna further stated that they anticipate generating revenue of Rs 1,000 crore over the next 5 years. During an interview, Manoj Tandon, the Director of Project, Operations and Maintenance at RailTel Corporation, disclosed an intriguing detail regarding the revenue sharing arrangement between RailTel and NuRe Bharat network. Tandon revealed that a significant portion, precisely 40% of the revenue generated from the provision of these services, would be allocated to RailTel. Furthermore, he mentioned a minimum guaranteed amount of Rs 14 crore per year that NuRe Bharat network is obliged to share with RailTel. This revenue sharing arrangement signifies a mutually beneficial partnership between the two entities, ensuring a steady stream of income for RailTel. This will also incentivize NuRe Bharat network to maximize their service offerings and revenue generation potential. He also mentioned that approximately 1.7 million individuals access their Wi-Fi network daily. Around 1 lakh villages are located within a 5-kilometer radius of the Indian Railways. Tandon conveyed a sense of hopeful anticipation, emphasizing the potential for attracting a considerable influx of advertisers, also hitting upon embarking upon a multitude of diverse initiatives on the piponet platform, all made possible through the utilization of innovative digital technology. With this optimistic outlook, Tandon believes that the collaborative efforts of the involved partners will not only attract a substantial number of advertisers, but also enable the exploration of numerous other ventures on the dynamic piponet platform. Through the implementation of cutting-edge digital solutions, they aim to leverage the platform's capabilities to the fullest. This will foster an environment conducive to attracting advertisers and supporting a range of innovative endeavors. Sanjay Kumar, the chairman and managing director of RailTel, added that RailTel has entered into an exclusive 5-year partnership with NuRe Bharat network. NuRe Bharat network is a joint venture consortium consisting of 3i Infotech, FISST, and Yellow. The anticipated collaboration between the involved parties holds great promise in ushering in a myriad of transformative digital advancements and promising opportunities within the railway industry. Through this partnership, a vast spectrum of innovative technological solutions and progressive initiatives is set to be unveiled. This will revolutionize the way railway operates and enhance the overall passenger experience as well forever.